Hi children, already you learned about place value. Let us we learn about face value. Already you know the place value of numbers. You also know how to read and write the numbers according to their place value. Observe these examples and read 4173. Next one 4237, 4314, 3125. Identify the place value of 3 in each example. How do the value of 3 changes according to its place value? But if you consider 3, does its value change? No, it doesn't. In this way, the digit does not change its value. What is this value called? This is called the face value. Every digit possesses its own value known as face value. It takes different place value based on its position in the number. Observe the following example. Observe here children. First one example 4378. What is the place value and face value of 3? Observe it. In the place value, we identify like 8 units, 7 tenths and 3 hundredths. So, the place value of 3 is 300. See, 300. And what is the face value of 3? The face value of 3 is 3. It's based on its position in the number. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾನದ ಬೆಲೆ ನಾವು ಅವುಗಳ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಮುಖ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಮುಖವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಅದರ ಮುಖ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3ರ ಮುಖ ಬೆಲೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಮುಖ ಬೆಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಮುಖವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು 3 ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದರ ಮುಖ ಬೆಲೆ 3 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಬೆಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ 3. 10 ಬಿಡಿ 100. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 300 ಇದರ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಬೆಲೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. 300. And another one example. Observe here. 5847. Here, what is the place value and face value of 5? How do you identify it? First of all, we identify the place value. You need tens, 100, 1000. So, place value of 5 is 5000. Then, face value. What is the face value of 5? The face value of 5 is 5. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದರ 5,000ದ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಬೆಲೆ 5,000 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಇದರ ಮುಖ ಬೆಲೆ 5 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Let us third one. Observe the example third one. What is the face value of 2 and face value of 2? See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಡಿ 10, 100, 1000 ಎರಡು ಬಿಡಿಯ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ the place value of 2 is 2 units. And what is the face value of 2? Its face value is 2. Okay children, let us observe the example 2. 3,895 is there. We identify the face value of 8 and face value of 9. The face value of 8 is 8 and face value of 8 is 800. See, observe, unit 10, 100. In 100 place coming 8. So, its place value is 800 and face value is 8. And next, face value of 9 is 9. Observe here. And its place value, we observe the place, unit tens. So, 9 place value of 9 is 90, means 9 tens. Next one, example 3. 7,327. Observe here children, in thousand place and unit place also 7 is there, but here place value is difference and face value as same. The face value of first number 7, face value of 7 is 7 and place value observe it, unit 10, 100, 1000. 1000 means 7,000. The place value of 7 is 7,000 and face value of 7 is 7. And here observe children, unit place also 7 is there. The face value of 7 is 7 and face value of 7 is 7 units. We say as 7 units. Let us we find out the difference between face value and face value. For example, 3,895 we find out the place value and face value of 8 in this number, 3,895. The first of all we identify the place value in this number. Place value of 8 means 1 units, tens, 100. So write 800. And next its face value. Face value of 8 is 8. So we will find out the difference, means we subtract the first number to place value of face. See here, 0 minus 8 means we Take 1, borrow. Tens. 10 minus 8, 2. And less than 1 here, 9. There is no number. 9. Yes, there is no number. 9 as it is and 8 as it is. So 892. The difference between face value and place value of 3895 is 892. Like this, we will see the another examples. First one, in 2389, what is the difference between the place value and the face value of 3? In 2389, the place value of 3 is 300 and the face value of 3 is 3. So, we subtract the 300 minus 3. Observe here the difference 297. And next one example, in 6547, what is the difference between the place value and the face value of 6? In 6547, the place value of 6 is 6000 and face value of 6 is 6. So we subtract it. 6000 minus 6 means the difference is 5994. Observe here children, third one. In 2998, find the difference between the place value of the two 9. In 2998, place value of 9 in 100 place. So, write 900. Place value of 9 in tens place. So, is 90. So, we will subtract here 900 to 90. Now, we will get difference 810. Okay, children. Now, we will go to next. Observe here, children. Here given some numbers and face value and place value. We will match the face value and place value of this given the box number. Box in the number. Observe here first one 8536. The face value of 3 is 3 and its place value 30. Like second one, observe here 3267 and what is the face value of 2 and face value. First of all, we match in face value. Observe here, where is 2 face value? Here. Match it 2. The face value of 2 is 2 and its place value 200. And next third one 4673. Observe the first face value. So 4. The face value of 4 is 4 and the place value of 4 is 4000. Next one 9000 76. The face value of 6 is 6 and its place value 6 units. Next, 6978. The place value of 9 is 9 and place value of 9 is 900.